Samsung is expected to refresh its foldable lineup in the coming months. Fans around the world are waiting for the next generation of foldable devices that are readily available. The smartphones in this lineup will be Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. While there is a lot of information about these smartphones on the internet, a tipster has recently indicated that the Galaxy Z Fold's display will be slightly different. Recently, tipster at Champion 8888 shared via his Twitter account that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 could come with a wider display. As per the tipster, the upcoming foldable will feature a 23:9 aspect ratio display. The current model of the lineup, Galaxy Z Fold 3, has an aspect ratio of 5:4. It hasn't been uncommon for such leaks to eventually turn out to be true though. It's claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 4's outer screen will have a 2048 by 793 pixel resolution. The aspect ratio will be 23:9 for the sake of comparison. The Galaxy Z Fold 3's cover display has an aspect ratio of 24.5:9. A similar claim was also made in a leak last month, which also claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 4's internal foldable screen is also going to be wider than its predecessor. Seems like offering wider displays is one of the major changes that the new foldable will be introduced with. The wider cover display will be particularly welcome. It's going to make it so much easier to use the device without having to unfold it every time. Samsung must improve the cover display experience as much as possible to improve the usability of this great product. Apart from this, a few weeks ago, we exclusively revealed that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be launched in the 1TB storage variant. Now more signs are pointing towards the accuracy of our exclusive report. Yesterday, the 1TB version of Samsung's next-generation foldable phone was spotted in a Korean retailer's database. Today, another South Korean retailer's information reveals that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be available in a 1TB variant, so at least the South Korean market will get this ultra-high-end storage variant. Samsung could launch it in a few additional markets across the world, including the US. The phone is expected to feature a thinner hinge, a less prominent screen crease, and a thinner and lighter body. Expect to hear more leaks and rumors about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in the coming weeks. Samsung is expected to unveil the device alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 4 in August this year. So what do you guys think about this new screen ratio? Will it be good enough to hold the market of the potables? Let me know it down in the comments section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.